I am Galileo Galilei, born in Pisa, 1564. I was studying medicine at Pisa's university, but my heart pulls elsewhere. I'm 20, sneaking into lectures on mathematics, my hands scribbling equations by candlelight. In 1590, I'm 26, a professor in Pisa, daring to challenge Aristotle. They say heavy falls faster. I say no. I climb the leaning tower, hands clutching two spheres, one iron, one wood. I drop them. My eyes track their fall. They hit the ground as one. The crowd gasps, scholars sneer, but I've shown the Earth's pull does not care for weight. My leaning tower experiment proves all objects fall the same, and this is the truth begins. Ptolemy, Aristotle, the Church. They say the Earth is the center. The heavens spin around us. But I've read Copernicus, his words a whisper of truth. The sun stands still, and we move. In 1609, I'm 45 in Padua crafting a telescope. I shape glass lenses, convex and concave, grit on my fingers, sliding them into a wooden frame. I point it skyward. Jupiter's moons dance, 4 tiny worlds, proof the heavens move. I see the Earth spin round the sun, Copernicus' dream alive. I write dialogue in 1632 to prove it, my hands trembling with defiance. In 1632, my claim the Earth orbits the sun sparks fury. Scholars scoff, priests curse, the Church condemns. My words shake their world. They summons me to Rome, and so me trial begins. 1633, I'm 69, frail, kneeling in Rome's stone chamber. The cardinals in scarlet glare down. Recant or burn, I see my life's work crumbling, my truth branded heresy. I choke out the words, I abjure my errors, my voice breaking as I sign their paper. 1634, I'm banished to Archetri, under house arrest, my world a prison. I'm 70, my eyes dimming, my hands gnarled from years of writing. I dictate to my students, motion, gravity, truths they'll carry forward. Archetri, 1642. I'm 77, blind, my breath shallow. My hands frail, touch a telescope I can't see. Stars I hold in memory. I feel the Earth spin as I always knew. My truths, motion, gravity, will outlive their chains. Though my mortal frame departs, mine celestial verities shall ever shine.